Today, what was your big takeaway from yesterday?
So my big takeaway from yesterday was that he said, hey, what I said in that 448-page report, I meant it. You know, because here's the deal. When I made this decision to run for president, it wasn't going to be about impeachment. It was going to be about plans, about what's broken, plans to fix it, and how we build a grassroots movement to make that happen. And then the Mueller report came out 42 days ago. I sit down and start reading. It's a Thursday afternoon, I think.
Well, you may be one of the only ones.
Well, I read into the night, into the next morning, and when I hit page 448, it was clear to me that we knew three things. The first one is a hostile foreign government attacked our 2016 election for the purposes of helping Donald Trump get elected.
Right.
Part two, candidate Donald Trump welcomed the help.
Yeah.
Part three, when the federal government tried to investigate part one and part two, Donald Trump did everything he could to derail, stop, halt, obstruct that investigation.
Right.
That is a violation of the law.
Yeah.
If he were anyone other than President of the United States, he would be in handcuffs and indicted. And Mueller served that up and says, basically, by the time you get to the end of the report, there are all the facts, multiple examples of obstruction of justice. I can't indict.
Right.
It's up to Congress. And
I came up to the same conclusion, Senator.
There you go.
Wow.
So I read that and I thought, you know, I didn't take an oath to support Donald Trump. I took an oath to support the Constitution of the United States.
Yeah.
So, impeachment,
You know, so when I was watching him and basically